Let's go ahead and add the rain. forgot what it was like in LA all this past week. Yeah, no snow here though. But that's sprinklers, and this is the way we always used to do special effects. Now, the nice thing about this is we can turn it off whenever we want. Let's go ahead and turn it off right now. Cut! Right now. Maybe now. Uh-oh. I don't make a good director, do I? You should see what I did direct. It was terrible. It was even worse than that. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Yeah. By the way, that is all recycled water. We do care a lot about the environment here. Hey, that was in the movie Big Fat Liar. Check this out.
It's his mama to look under his bed, and I'm the reason you just lost control of this whole operation. My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge.
The hell you are?
Let me clue you in on two things, sweet cheeks. One, there's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. And two, an international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
This is not your jurisdiction.
It is now, Stink Pickle.
I'm so tired of your snake guys stepping in just whenever you feel like it.
Mute him.
Don't mute him.
That's better. We'll open your vehicle to a safe location until we have the situation under control. Until then, I want everybody to stay calm. Enjoy the ride. Take care of it.
Amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Juke Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old movie show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? What? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy, old money frontier town lies a sinister secret. Smack dab in the center of Hollywood. Welcome to the world of no.
Now that movie Nope was shot in Santa Clarita. It's a little north of here. Maybe about, I don't know, 45 minutes or so north. Because we wanted to have it, these sets of...